Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorial, and in this video you will learn Python command line input. So far the value of variable has been hard coded, but what if the value is entered by user? Because in practical world normally the value is entered by the user and it's not hard coded. So yes, it is possible through command line through input. So let me show you with practical example. So let's create a file called input dot py. Now so here I'm writing a variable, then int, so that the entered value will be converted into integer, and then input. This is the actual command here. So input, then enter first number, again b, so enter second number, and then sum equals to a plus b, and ultimately here print total is comma sum. So let's run it. Python input dot py, enter first number 24 and then 25. So you can see the total it is displaying is 49. So here you can see that this input is entered here, this 24, and this one is entered here 25, and ultimately this sum is added, and after adding this print is displaying here. So this way you can user input any number and you can calculate whatever you like. So that's it in this video, and using this I'm going to provide you an exercise. You will do all the exercise previous whatever you have done in this video through this user input, and apart from that in further videos whenever there will be a input we will use this one. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye bye.